Alright, what's going on, guys? Nemo Rides is back. It's been a minute. This hurricane where I'm from has taken an absolute toll on everything. We just got power back yesterday. The hurricane hit Friday. And so Brayden came out. He's going to ride with us. We're off of work today. So, going to have a little fun. There you go. My wheelies aren't looking too hot today. Oh man, it feels good to be back on a bike. It feels so good to be back on a bike. I need to get Brayden to connect to the Senna. The only bad part is I can't listen to music while he's on there. It probably fucking hurt his head. There's a cop. That's awkward. God dang, there's so many people. Huh? Oh, I was at like 3 something. Jesus Christ. 10? And it was not your fault, but mine. Yeah, this hurricane has taken a hit. Look at all these fucking people. There's so fucking many of them. Just waiting in line for gas. And yet we're just riding our bikes. Fucking. I have a full tank of gas in my truck, though, so you owe me like $10. Broke bitch. Yeah. Let's go ride. Fuck them. I got a full tank of gas in my truck. It shut off again. Ugh. She's not happy she hasn't been rode in a while. Work. Oh, it's on top of your engine. Hold on, I'll get a piece of mulch. I don't know. Let's go. Scary. Let's go this way. Oh. It feels really good. Ow, I just got hit in the face with a bug. Feels good outside today, at least, though. Yeah, dude, there's so many trees down. So many. Yeah. Look at that person's roof. Did you get that on video at least? Hell yeah. I really fucking hope not. Go right. Right here, yeah. That's the guy that worked on my truck. That's his King Ranch right there. That thing's bitching. Take you, Larry. I hope my... Ooh. Hold on. Touch. Is my microphone working? Hello, hello. Yeah, it is. Okay. I'm talking about my my camera mic. Go right. Go right, sorry. I thought you were just waiting. I was like, bro, there's plenty of room. Hey, they got this light up now. This light was down. There's like 15 trees down over here. Yeah, look, it's all over the power lines. Power lines down everywhere, trees down everywhere. And this is where the worst of it starts. Needless to say, it was bad. Pole snapped in half. Zebras. Brother, get on your fucking side. Jesus Christ. Even better idea. Aha! Ugh, that shit stinks. Oh. Is it closed still? It looks like we can go, right? Maybe not. No, see, it is closed. Fuck. Damn it. Fucking hell. If they weren't there, I would do it. Oh my, dude, is that vomit? Oh my god, what is that? Oh god, dude, that makes me like, I feel like shit now, just looking at that. That was awful. Oh god. Ugh. Wait a minute. Are we near Larry's work? I think if we go straight, I don't know, let's follow the popo. You gotta be inconspicuous though. You think he sees me? I can't see you, you can't see me. Ooh, where are you going? Let's go left. Let's follow him. U.S. government. Is he looking at me? Oh! Federal Protective Service. Oh, Jesus. We fucking with the wrong one. I don't have much service out here, though. Does she? Should we go fuck with her? Should we go fuck with her? Oh! Oh no! Oh no! I can't jump the curb this way. I'm just pulling a fat ass U. Hey, fuck off. Quit honking at me. I'm just turning in front of this here truck. Where the fuck did you go? I hear you, but it's breaking up. Oh. Oh, old man's letting me go. I'm going motherfucking straight. Why did we go this way? Brayden. Oh my gosh. You know, it'd be some shit if that light would turn green and we were stuck like that. Oh, that's not even a cop. It says green link. Alright guys, well, my camera did die. And this is this battery has like 5%, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. I'm on the way home. I'm almost there. So if you could, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.